tired.
It's raining.
You look outside and all you see are white puffy clouds in a blue sky. But because we have the deck stained and we have the driveway sealed, there's one black cloud over our house. Only our house.
Oh my God.
Look outside and see the blue sky and white clouds.
I don't know if you can get the full effect of this. Come out here, you see? Here is the drop cloth because this was just stained and should be dry so it can be drying. And over there, you see the string across the driveway? That's so that nobody steps on the wet driveway that was just sealed today. Because today is a lovely sunny day. You see the blue sky with the white puffy cloud?
I see it.
Look over our house. You see the black cloud causing the rain to fall just
cloud.
on our property.
My feet are wet.
Hi.
Unbelievable.
You have anything else to say?
I just can't believe it. Oh, turn that off.
Tell us life is grand again.
Yes, dear, life is grand.